Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're doing my hot pressure washer. I'm putting a new jet in it because it's not reaching the temperatures that it should be. It's cutting out about 70 degrees, so I reckon it's a block jet. So anyway, let's get on with it. Right, so all you need to do, you take these off. There's two of them. 3 screws hold this in. And it all comes out in one look. There's the jet there at the bottom. Okay, we'll get that out now. Right, I'm just going to screw that out. That's a 16mm. You're supposed to change these twice a year. So I reckon this is the problem. Look at the shit in there, look. Okay. There's a new one. Okay, we're just going to screw this new jet in. Make sure your electrodes are nice and clean. Mine are. They're usually covered in crap. It's best to clean these every 6 months. Make sure they're all nice and clean. Depends how much you use the machine, really. I don't really use it that often now. Okay, so the jet's put in there now. It's all nice and clean. I'm going to put that back in there, just like that. Put them back in there, just like that. This has been a fantastic machine. These are the only problems you usually get with it, blocked. I put a new filter in it as well, which is the housing here. As long as your diesel's clean, your jet's clean, and your electrodes are clean. Okay, I'm going to put that back on there like that. Yeah, I think that's a 14. And you don't tighten that up too tight. Right, that's all together. Put the electrodes back on. Just like that. Right, let's test it out. Right, let's try this thing out.